Ever had a desk drawer overflowing with crumpled receipts? Or that sinking feeling when you realize you misplaced an important expense for a critical report? Been there, done that. But what if there was a way to ditch the paper chase and streamline your expense reporting forever? Enter Expensify, the magic app that transforms your phone into a receipt-zapping, report-generating superpower. Today, we're diving deep into how to submit an expense on Expensify, the fast, easy, and dare we say, enjoyable way to keep your finances organized. Why use Expensify? Let's face it, paper receipts are a drag. Think about it. You spend your hard-earned money on work-related things, from travel and meals to subscriptions and office supplies. But then comes the dreaded task, collecting those receipts, sorting them by category, and manually entering the information into an expense report. By the time you're done, you might be wishing you had those paper cuts back. Expensify cuts through the clutter. It's your one-stop shop for capturing, categorizing, and submitting expenses. No more scrambling to find receipts, no more tedious data entry. Expensify puts you back in control of your finances, freeing up valuable time and reducing the end-of-month report stress. Alright, you're sold on Expensify. Now, how do you actually use it? Expensify offers two main ways to submit an expense, through SmartScan, the app's receipt-reading magic trick, or by manually entering the details. We'll explore both methods so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. Method 1. Let's get smart with SmartScan. Imagine this: you grab a coffee on your way to a meeting, snap a picture of the receipt with your phone, and Expensify does the rest. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's the magic of SmartScan. Here's how it works. Open the Expensify app and tap the big plus button at the bottom. Select Submit Expense. Now, the cool part, tap Scan. Line up your receipt within the frame and capture the magic with a photo. Expensify's SmartScan superpower kicks in, automatically reading the merchant name, date, and amount from the receipt. It's like having your own personal expense assistant, no more manual data entry. Once the details are populated, you can review them for accuracy. If needed, add a description for the expense, think client lunch meeting. Select the appropriate expense category. Expensify offers a wide range of options, from meals and travel to office supplies and subscriptions. Finally, tap Submit Expense, and voila! Your expense is captured and ready for your report. Method 2, the manual method, for when SmartScan needs a little help. Maybe your receipt is a bit crumpled, or the lighting wasn't ideal for SmartScan. No worries, Expensify's got you covered with the manual method. Here's how. Follow steps 1 and 2 from the SmartScan method. Open the app, tap plus, select Submit Expense. This time, instead of scanning, choose Manual. Enter the expense amount directly. Fill in the remaining details like merchant name, date, description, and category. Just like with SmartScan, hit Submit Expense to finalize it. Beyond the basics, supercharge your Expensify experience. Expensify is more than just a receipt capturing tool. Here are some additional features that can make your expense reporting life even smoother. Linked credit cards. Connect your credit cards to Expensify, and it will automatically import your transactions, saving you the trouble of manual entry altogether. Mileage tracking. No more manual mileage logs. Expensify can track your work-related miles using your phone's GPS. Billable expenses. Do you need to bill your clients for certain expenses? Expensify allows you to mark expenses as billable, simplifying the invoicing process. Expense reports. Once you've submitted your individual expenses, Expensify lets you easily group them into reports for easy submission to your manager or finance department. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, ditch the paper chase and conquer your expense reports with the power of Expensify.